There was a group of carp. They know how to never swim apart. A school of fish stay by each other's side and swim with even stride. Hoist the wild stallion running through the Nevada desert, wild and free, knowing that that's how it's supposed to be. No saddle or rope to control his every move. Up in the air, Hoist jumps in a cheerful groove. Horace the bear getting ready for long winter's rest in a cave is a comfortable map at its best, sleeping the coldness until it gets hot. Horace wakes up from his sleep spot. Harp the turtle has his own home. He takes it everywhere. Harp roam. He can stay in any environment, that sleet or snow, no matter where he goes. Harp's shell protects him from elements and danger. At least he be someplace that is not stranger. The two little kids named Timmy and Kimmy, who like to dance, every time music plays, they know it is their chance. Both sibling kittens dance like a team or duo. Any type of music they can use as an ultimate tool. Arthur the bear cub has just been suggested to stay away from hornet's nest. Her listening is not ultimate test. Arthur does not want to be in trouble, and so she does that she's told and move to a mother and not have to be scolded. Periwinkle loves her toy stuffed bear. The bear keeps Perry company when her owner's not there. She lays on the sofa to take a nap. Perry lays her head on the bear's lap. Tango the Tantra takes a bath in the rain with a potential spring shower. It would rain for at least an hour. Tango leaves to fly to get some food, now that he's in a cheerful, singing mood. Charlie and Roger help Thomas to get back home since he was lost when the morning feed was tossed. The farmer always tossed corn from the far left of the land. Thomas did not know he lived from the right. Rich he did not understand.